Man-made materials like resins and acrylics, as well as ultra-hardwoods, can be challenging to turn due to the dangers of catches and wear and tear on your tools. We invented our negative rake carbide cutters to turn these types of materials safely, efficiently, and with ease. Our negative rake carbide cutters are the first of their kind. Rake is the angle of a tool relative to its cutting surface. Most tools have a zero or a neutral rake. These carbide cutters have a negative rake, so the face of the cutting surface slopes away from the cutting edge. The geometry makes a cut less aggressive and therefore safer. The negative rake angle of our cutters won't catch the tool and virtually eliminates chatter and chipping. You will also notice that the smooth finish cuts down on any required sanding time. We offer negative rake carbide cutters to fit every turning tool in our line and are designed to be used the same way as all of our turning tools.